This was our ride. We took off here from Williston Crossing, went up to Archer. Here in Archer, we met, rested a group from Let's Ride Gainesville. We left here up to Newberry, took 26 across, then Fannin Springs we got on 98, and then we came on down to Good Times Motel and Marina. I'll tell you what, I like this place. But anyway, after that, we went on home 98, and right in here, 26, this is where our buddies left us and went back to Gainesville. The rest of us, we continued to 27, came down, and shot right into Williston Crossing. So that was our route.
There's a group picture of us and she's sitting on it 6 years ago. I can't even remember that, but I remember.
Now this is the website for Good Times, who is also the Who Dat Bar and Marina restaurant. We just got here, man, the weather is nice, and this once again is another neat rustic looking restaurant. There's Marcia right now. She's kind of not too happy because she hasn't got her trike back yet. This place to me is pretty much an eye catcher. Here we're walking on, there's Glenn. Hey Glenn. We're walking on over, and just follow us inside the restaurant. You can see the water in the background. This is also a marina, remember, and I'll take you around to get a better look at this place in a minute. Once you go through the doors, here comes the rustic old restaurant part. They got a nice bar here. There's Wayne, aka Boo Boo, and the Junior Ranger, aka Ed. We were sitting way in the back here. Time, we're also going to sing happy birthday to Karen, and I just did catch some of it. But here we're setting up our tables. We got a pretty nice sized group, and we kind of want to keep everybody together. They did have us at these neat little tables here, but the only problem with that, if you're in the middle and you got to go use the restroom, or you want to get up and stretch your legs, you got to get everybody else to move. So we're rearranging the tables, and it worked out great for our group. There you go. We're all settled in now, and it's getting ready for feasting
I gotta
time.
go get my jacket. I'm cold.
I'll go get it. Let me see what I got.
There's one thing. There's shrimp here, 20.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you. What we do, about 3 more times?
No.
Okay. We'll get the rest of the people up here.
Me walking around outside of the restaurant, I have already ordered, and Marcia mentioned something about 20. Well, it was 20 fried shrimp, and you're going to have to look at my plate. I do have a picture of it later on. I think I had French fries, fried okra, and 20 shrimp. And I got to say, that was the special, and it was very special. Steinhatchee is really a neat little town. We're on the other side of the river. They got some more stuff when you cross the river on the bridge. There's the end of the restaurant where we're in there eating. I think in the summertime, or when they get a little more busy, they do have an upstairs, and I don't know if that was mainly deck because they had it roped off. But there's part of their marina, and you've seen it on the other side, and this here is their store right there. There's the restaurant part, and I'm just walking around. Good times. And this is right in front of the store. There's the restaurant part you seen on the right then. And going into the store, they have a few things. It's also a tackle shop. But Marcia ended up buying a cool looking shirt here, and I decided I got myself a cool looking shirt from this place.
Is that all we need is silverware? And tartar.
Now, here's a couple of pictures. I didn't take many, but that was the bar, and that's our table where we're at. And remember my plate? That's it right there, baby. That was good.
H chopper about the rumble of the Harley coming into the yard.
I think you'll learn that very fast. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?